All right, econ students, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about elasticity of demand. Right, so we already know the law of demand. Price goes up, quantity demand goes down. Price goes down, quantity demand goes up. But how much does this law apply, right? How sensitive is the different things to price change? Now, there's three different types of elasticity we're going to talk about. There's elasticity. That means something is very super sensitive to price change, like soda. Okay, if the price of soda goes up, it has a lot of substitutes, a lot of alternatives, so you buy a lot less soda. You also have inelasticity, something that's not very sensitive to price change whatsoever, like gas. Okay, you guys need gas, to fill up your tank, to travel, to go back and forth to work. So you guys have to go ahead and pay for that gas, no matter if it's $5 a gallon or right now in some parts it's $2.29 a gallon here in California. Now, there's also unit elastic, which is a 1-to-1 ratio. So say a price goes up by 10%, that means quantity demand is going to drop down 10%. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, for something to be elastic, it's going to have a ratio that is greater than 1. Inelastic just said is equal to 1, and inelastic is less than 1. And you use this formula right here. Percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. Let's take a look down here. I have a little demand graph, price, quantity. I'm saying that price is going to drop down by 10%, causing quantity to increase by 15%. Do these numbers right here. Quantity demand is 15% over the percentage change in price. We have a coefficient of 1.5. That means this product, whatever it is very sensitive to price change. Okay, so it is elastic. Now, one way to look at elastic is it's more of a horizontal line versus an inelastic, which you're going to see is more of a vertical line. So let's plug in our numbers here. Price has dropped by 10%, but quantity demand is only increased by 5%. That is 0.5. It is less than 1. It means it's relatively inelastic because it does not have a lot of substitutes. And that right there is the law of elasticity. So if you watch my previous videos where we kind of did that whole dance, we're going to change it, right? So the law of demand, price goes up, quantity demand goes down, price goes down, quantity demand goes up, right? But this law is sometimes it's inelastic, elastic, inelastic, elastic, and then you also have your shifters, your increase to the right and your increase to the left. All right, so that is the part of demand. Next time we're going to move into supply. Until then, stay safe.